This behind me is our 12 by 24 loafing shed kit. So it's 24 feet long and 12 feet deep. It's got a sloped roof on it, and it's also got a little bit longer roof panels, so you get a nice overhang on the front and the back. The height here on the front here is about 10 feet tall, and on the back, you're at about 9 foot in the back. So you have a nice slope. This is an entire kit. It comes with everything you see besides the wood boards. You can get the wood boards at either Home Depot or Lowe's. These are just 2x8s, but how these go together is they're all shelter panels. So the shelter panels have two pieces. There's the top piece and there's the bottom piece, and these bolt together to make shelter panels. On the sides, the shelter panels are sloped for the roof, and on the back side, they're just flat. And the way these are anchored down for the winds is they come with our ground posts. All of our kits here come with these ground posts, so you don't need to worry about this flying away in the strong winds. We have these set up in places that get 100-mile-an-hour winds, and they don't move an inch. So this is a great option. Put these out in your horse pasture or in your arena. It's just a nice place for your horse or livestock to come in and out of freely to get out of the weather, whether it's, you know, the hot summer sun or the cold winter rain or even snow. It's a great kit to have. Put it out in your pasture, like I said. It's real comfortable. You can even store, we have some panels here right now, but you can store stuff in here that you don't want to get wet or keep it in the sun. So we have all these on our website. We have this, again, this is a 12 by 24. We also make them in a smaller size, which is a 12 by 12. So again, a real nice kit. You can see more information about these on our website. It's SoCalFenceandBarn.com.